Alright folks, we got all the rust knocked off of it. We got new studs put in it. We got painter's tape on the studs. And then got the socket capped off. So let's prime it. We'll be back. Okay guys, there you go. I'm just using this Rust-Oleum filler primer. Yeah. And there we go. Ready to roll. So we'll let it flash off. See how it looks, and if it needs another coat, we'll do it. If it doesn't, give it a little light sand and throw some black on it. We'll be back. Alright folks, I don't know why I said I'd be back right after this, but that was stupid. But anyway, we got the rust off there, off the clamp, and I'm working on the inside. We're going to polish this chrome. You betcha. I did notice something with the lens, turning it inside out. This is the inside. This looks like lead to me. That looks like lead inlay. I don't know for sure, but it looks like lead. I'm leaving it alone. I'm not scared of lead. But I was just curious to see that, you know. So anyway, there's the lens. It's got a little bit of road spatter on the face. I'm going to see if I can get rid of that. But yeah, we're coming along, guys. We'll be right back. Alright, folks. There you go. Bright and shiny. And there's the black housing. Alright. That's it for part 2, guys. That's it. Let that paint set up and cure and harden in the sun. Alright, so we'll be back with part 3. Take care, guys. Remember, if you watch, thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.